in this video, I'm going to be pruning basil in my garden. So I have been pruning a little bit of it. I have some right here in the bucket already. I'm cutting around so you can see that the leaves are not like touching the ground. And it's been producing a lot of flowers. So first we're going to cut on this side. So we want to get in between, something like there. Because it's starting to bush out way too much. It's leaning against the wall. That's how the bugs get to it. So I'm trying to keep it away from the wall. Get back going. He's gonna be full of basil. Okay, now we're gonna mark this off. So it's gonna be right here. And we're just gonna cut all that. That is a lot of basil. So you can see how it's all stacking up. I'm just giving it a little prune on the side. I want to like cut this way so it looks more like this and then like that bit. Today is a good idea to harvest the carrots because they seem ready. Let's just go and get right to it. Sorry, peas, we're not ready for you today. It's not your video. Get one of the carrots out. Oh, this one's like a jellyfish. This one has 2 legs. Awesome. This one out. Hey, this one looks kind of like a chicken. We got carrots growing all along here. All right, bye guys. See y'all later.